few minutes for everyone's better understanding purpose. Please concentrate. Okay, so hope everyone has joined. So please take the classes seriously and don't miss. Okay, good. Let's go ahead. I cannot wait. See here, recurring document is a reference document. Understand here point clearly. Recurring document is a reference document. So the reference document means what? It will not be posted. It will be just stored. Okay, as and when you require. See, you can use this reference document as a reference and post your normal regular transactions. Okay, that is the main advantage. Okay, so generally for which transactions we do create recurring document is okay, wherever any business transaction which is occurring repeatedly with the fixed amount to fixed date to from date to date trade. So for all such transactions you can create as recurring documents. Okay, na? Good. So in this instance, okay, we have rent, EMI, insurance premium, sale purchase installments, etc. See, every month fixed date we are paying. So fixed amount we are paying from date to date. Okay, is there for all these transactions. So and also occurring repeatedly every month. For all such transactions, we can create it. What is the advantage is every month instead of posting manually, I can use this reference document as a reference, and post my transactions on particular date. That's the advantage. Okay. Now, when you are going to create recurring documents, I want you to keep some points in mind. So first one is, okay, since it is a reference document, it doesn't update our ledger balances. Okay, if you want to create one recurring document and go and check your ledger balances, so you will not see any data. And next step, okay, it will be just stored, not posted. Okay, and next one is it can be deleted. It can be deleted. Okay, because it's not regular document, so it can be deleted. And next, it is one of the month-end activities. So what does it mean? This kind of activities are performed only once in a month, not regularly. Okay, and next, since the documents are going to be stored, okay, so regular number ranges should not be used. So separate number ranges you have to maintain against X1. Okay, that's it. These 4 or 5 points I want you to keep in mind. Okay, before proceeding further. So now, first number ranges I have maintained yesterday. Okay, against the number range X1 in transaction code FBN1 in my company code. Done. Next, I created a recurring document for this business transactions, rent account to bank account. Okay, good. If you want, I'll show you once again, but I have not saved it. See here, D code FBN, D1. See here, company code, first term, okay, last term is starting period, ending period, and every month, okay, monthly once or 2 months once, or you have to specify it. So, example, monthly once. Okay, run date, is there any fixed date? 10th, okay, 7th, okay, you have to enter accordingly. Okay, and select the check boxes because the check boxes the same whenever I'm going to create normal transactions by using this recurring document. Okay, text to amount to okay will be copied to the line item. That's it. This is the new thing. Additionally entered. So rest of thing is same. SA currency VNR and here posting key 40 and our account code 400 110 rent account amount is for example 30,000 example. So rent payment. And here 50 okay bank account amount star text plus it's not a regular document, so you will not have simulation option. So you have to click on this body button. Okay, then you can save it. That's it. Okay, but I am not saving because I already created now. So that's it. This is the way how to post it. So assume I have posted. After that, if you go and check your ledger balance, you will not see any data in your ledgers. So after that, I told you how to see the recurring document list. So for what are documents we have created, recurring documents. If you like to see, we can go to this particular transaction. This is a reference document, right? Go to this section and verify it. So if you know the document number, you can enter it. Otherwise, go to the list, enter your company code and execute it. Okay, here what are recurring documents I created now? So all will be displayed here. That's it. Okay, but in this transaction, when this document is supposed to be posted, okay, all these things we will not see. How many times we have posted, okay, when we are supposed to post next time. So this and all we cannot see in this document, in this transaction. Okay, so instead of this transaction to see different documents, I would suggest you to go to F.15. If I go to F.15, you will understand. Okay, how many recurring documents are there, which date you are supposed to post, all these things. Example. See F.15. And 4 is 4115. Double click on it. See, company code. This is my company code. If you want, you can specify text clear, otherwise simply execute it. See here. This is the way it looks. This is very, very important. Okay, transaction. So if you see here, there are two titles are there, two values are there. Company code FT01. Item 1, item 2. Document number is a document number. And posting key, posting keys. And document type SC. Account type SC, GL account. Posting date, okay. And account like this. See, there are two headings are there, two types of values are here. Okay, if you understand here, what is the first term date? Okay, first term date is 1st to March. What is the last term date? 28th. Okay, February 2023. This is the one period from date to date. What is the next term date? 5th April. Okay, how we are going to post? Okay, monthly ones. How many times you have posted so far? Okay, in yesterday's session you have executed this transaction, no? So that's why it was posted for March month already. Okay, done. Okay, so like this. When it is supposed to be posted? This one, 5th March. Okay, 5th April. Good. Now, 5th April means it is next year, no? So let me check the next year number is there or not. Otherwise, system not allowing. The March over. March is here over. We are jumping into next year. So in that case, we have to maintain numbers for our company code for next year also. Otherwise, it will not. See, X1. X1 only 2021 can maintain this now. So 2022 also you have to maintain it. So this one. So 2021 also, 2020 also you have to maintain it. X1. 2020. You understand why we are going to maintain for 2022? Okay, after a few days we are going to enter into 2022 fiscal year. Okay, for March month I already executed. In case if you have created this recurring document in the June month or July month now, so then you will have multiple periods to execute it. Okay, that's right. Otherwise we will do one thing. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. We start creating this. I have created for current month, okay, but if I create the recurring document in current month, there are no more periods in 2021 fiscal year. That's why I'll do one thing. Please wait. Let me delete this first. Wait. We'll delete this first. No documents folder. months. Okay, since we don't have many periods to execute in 2022, there are two options. If you are okay, go on maintain numbers for 2022 fiscal year going forward. Otherwise, if you want to start this creating recurring document from mid of this year, maybe June month or July month also, fine, no problem. Okay, that's up to you. But okay, no problem. I am going back to this June month onwards. I want to do this. So now I don't have any recurring documents. All are clear now. This is the way I have to delete it. I'll show you later. Don't worry. And one more thing. This is my rent account. Okay, na? Fine. So, okay, now let me go back to recurring document creation. Okay, see, once again I'm creating. Okay, see here, the existing one was deleted. So every month, okay, 5th or 10th, whatever it is, you're supposed to post document type and currency, and here, okay, posting Q40. Okay, so no, again we are entering March month, right? No. Okay, assume currently we are in June month. So we will have more periods. Okay, in this year. If I start from March now, after executing for first period, okay, March, so this year will be over. So again we have to maintain the number ranges for next year and perform this. If you're okay, then go ahead like that. Otherwise, okay, I would like to go back and start posting this document transaction from June month. June month means, okay, currently we are in June month. Okay, understand? Huh? Good. Okay, if I enter any details like that with past date or future date, assume we are currently in that particular date. 2021. June no, currently month. Okay, June month starting today. Ending date, example, 31st July 2022. Okay, rough. Good. That's it. So rest of it is the same, no problem. And automatic adjustment, right? Right. Okay. And here, what is the account number? This is my account number.
Last year they said.
The postal
Vasant, last run is wrong.
Last run is 2002. Is it?
We created a linear.
Typo mistake. Okay, don't worry.
First one also 22 also. Yesterday we created 22, 23.
No.
This is also 22. Second, first one.
22 hours.
Yeah.
1st June 2021 agreement. Okay, 31st July 2027. And then it will accept one second. We enter any wrong date here. Correctly enter, no?
I can give 2020.
1 year agreement.
22 and try. 2022.
Currently now we are given.
Vasant, first run 22 kada 2022.
Yesterday also we given 22 only.
Okay, yesterday means, okay, so I started creating the document from March month. Okay, that's why I entered 2022. Understand? So I wanted to execute it for a couple of periods. Okay, that's why I'm entering here past date. So that's why here not accepting. Okay, no worries. We'll change the numbers, no problem. Oh, you also go ahead with the numbers. Okay, past date
June
not
books already
accepting.
closed now. That's why it's not allowing, I guess.
Yeah?
June books we already closed. No, that's why it's not allowed.
ఎక్కడ క్లోజ్ చేసి చెప్పాము సిస్టమ్ ఎలా
Period is open.
Posting period it is showing only 12, right?
Okay,
Start like that.
go on.
Sir, last run rate.
అదే లాస్ట్ రన్ డేట్ జరిగింది కాబట్టి కంపెనీకి వాళ్ళు అందుకే యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయట్లేదు. ఓకే, వేరే కంపెనీ కూడా అయితే తీసుకునేది. ఓకే, No problem. See, example. Definitely it will allow. Okay, past date and I can see. Example JS WC లేకపోతే FT02 రఫ్గా చూడండి. మరి దీనికి యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తుంది కదా, దానికి ఎందుకు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయలేదు? దీనికి యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయట్లేదా? ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ డేట్. ఓకే, పాస్ట్ డేట్ తీసుకోవట్లేదు. నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, డోంట్ వరీ. సో ఐ విల్ డూ వన్ థింగ్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ, ఐ విల్ జస్ట్ మెయింటైన్ నెంబర్స్. N1 లాగే చేసుకో, సింపుల్ గా అయిపోతుంది. మీరు యూ ఆల్సో గో హ్యాడ్ అండ్ మెయింటైన్ నెంబర్ అని జస్ట్ 2022 ఆల్సో, బికాస్ 2021 ఫస్ట్ పీరియడ్ అయిపోద్ది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఓకే ఇట్ విల్ బి ప్రాబ్లం. దట్స్ వై లెట్స్ మెయింటైన్ ఫర్ 2022 ఆల్సో at a time here. From number, same numbers. No need to maintain different series year to year. Okay, enter it, save it. Fine, number and just here maintain it. Okay, so since I deleted the existing document now, so I have to create it again, right? Okay, so now let me create it. There is no confusion, don't worry. Just let me go back and create one recurring document as I created yesterday. Okay, March month, and here March month, and next February 2023. Okay, and here first one, fixed date key, transfer all the check boxes, SA, currency INR, account number, party, and GL code.
Posting period. Hello.
No. Posting period కాదు, ఆల్రెడీ మార్చ్ మంత్ రన్ చేసాం. Okay, and again
check the company code, no? FT01, right?
Okay, that is on point. Because I have executed, right? Okay, again after executing for March month, I am going back and creating the document from March month. Okay, that's why it is giving this kind of problem. Okay, I know. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, how to enter it. Please wait. Now accept. Okay, see here once again, first term and last term, every month, fixed date, copy all the values. Okay, document type, or because it's a GL document, rent account to bank account. So rent account to GL code and press enter it. How much amount? So for example, 30,000 rupees, and anything you can enter it. Okay, description, and here 50. See here, in case if anyone yesterday miss the recurring document topic, so please concentrate. Jagannath, you don't need to feel okay that you miss the class. Just concentrate. Again you got opportunity to attend. Okay, enter it. No simulation option. Overview. Okay, rent account to bank account. Save it. If I save it now, it is going to be stored. It is going to be stored. Okay, and here in this transaction, if you have doubt, you can go and check your lecture balances. Let me recap. This is my GL code. Go and check. Data was not posted. See, now document was created, but still didn't update the ledger balances because it was stored, not posted. Good. Next, go to your recurring document list. So if I go to this list, I can see here list of documents what I created so far 201. But in this case, I can't see when it is supposed to post it. So because of this, I told you to go to another transaction. Okay, recurring document list with the due date wise. Okay, and execute it. So in this transaction, I can see okay what is my first on date, what is my last on date, what is my next on date, and every month first monthly ones, every month 5th. Okay, how many times you have posted so far? Okay, 0 times. So far we haven't posted anything. That's why here 0. Good. like this verified. Now I am going to post regular transaction. See, I am supposed to post here a rent account to bank account, right? But not going to post manually. I want to use this document as a reference and post my transaction. Time advantage is time saving, and there is no chance to skip this kind of regular transactions. Okay, particular date key, it will be posted automatically. See here how I am going to post it. Okay, everyone, now please start. Okay, write down. Okay, this is just a report to, and this is the transaction. F.14. Write down, please. I am going to show you how to post regular transactions by using the recurring document. Okay, I told you note also. This is one of the month-end activities in FI module. Please start. Write down. However, it is there in the running notes. I want you to write down it. Okay, in the classroom notes also. Please start. Okay, write down. Company code. Enter your company code. However, you know, please write down. Okay, this how to post transactions by using the recurring document was not explained, not given properly in the Word document, running document. So that's why please write it down here carefully. Company code. Okay, document number field. I would suggest you to keep it blank. You know why? There are multiple transactions you are going to process in this month. So then specify, okay, if you specify the particular document number, no, only this one will be processed. If I don't specify, right, all will be considered. So better keep this field blank. Okay, write down document number. Okay, keep it blank. Document number, keep it blank. Next, fiscal year. Fiscal year. No need to specify document types, so posting date, all will come. Okay, no need to give any criteria. Good. Settlement period. Settlement period. Settlement period. Okay, settlement period. See, settlement period is here nothing but, okay, make sure your settlement period. You can't hear me? Kesava, Kiran,
Here.
Yamuna, you can hear me. Okay. If not, you can rejoin. See here. So settlement period is whatever date you entered, if it's not a matter, but please make sure your settlement period covers your next run date of your document. Okay, so see here. Okay, here your next run date here 5. This is old document. Dot 5. See here. See here. Concentrate. See here. 5 March. So because starting run no 1st March, last run no, okay, 28th March. At the starting period, ending period. So here every month 5th you are running, you are supposed to run, right, fixed date. So then, okay, first time when it is supposed to be executed 5th March. When it is supposed to be executed 5th March here. Okay, that's why here 5th March. If I execute it for 5th March, next time if I come back and check it here, okay, 5th April. Okay, next time 5th May. Like this, keep on changing the next run date. But first run date to last run date will remain same. Okay, and here you'll come to know that how many times we have posted so far. Okay, good. Please concentrate. So what I'm saying is here, your settlement period is very important and mandatory field here. See, without filling this data, it will not allow you to proceed further, right? So boss, what I am supposed to enter here is very simple. For which month? I told you this transaction is one of the month-end activities. For which month you are going to execute? Okay, that month starting date, ending date, you are supposed to enter it. Otherwise, if only one document, right? See here, only one document. So if you specify here 5th March 2022, that is sufficient. You no need to enter any due date and all. Okay, this is okay. This is perfect. This is enough. But assume in your company code, there are 10 documents are there. 10 recurring documents are there for this March month. One document is supposed to be posted on 10th March. One document is supposed to be posted on 5th March, 20th March, okay, 28th March, okay, 2nd March. Like these 10 documents are going to be posted different dates. Example, rent 10th, okay, 5th, EMI 7th, okay, higher purchase installment 10th. Like this 10 documents are there. All are ready for March month. But in this case, if you enter here, okay, in this case, if you enter here 5th, whatever document supposed to be posted 5th, only those documents will be posted. Then what about the other documents? Will not be posted. That's why I would always suggest you. Okay, here. Yeah. Okay, go to mute, please. Okay, so that's why I would always suggest you to enter starting of that particular month, ending of the particular month. Then what will happen? See, 10th is covered here, 2nd is covered here, 10th, okay, 5th is covered here in this settlement period. And whatever next on dates are there right here, all dates, all the next on dates are covering, okay, included in this settlement period. So you no need to run this transaction 10 times. In single shot, 10 documents can be posted. In single shot, 10 documents can be posted. That's why I would suggest you to enter, okay, starting of the month, ending of the month. Okay, write down. Okay, settlement period, enter start date and end date of particular month. For example, I am going to execute for May month, enter May starting, May ending date. Write down. Okay, enter starting month and ending month. Sorry, start date and end date. Enter exam quest. I want you to enter this one, but example point of view, write on this. And okay, note also. Please make sure the settlement period includes, covers the next one dates of recurring documents. Otherwise, session will not be created. If session is not created, you cannot post the transactions. Okay, like this. Please make sure. I will execute for 2-3 periods. Okay, don't worry, you will become perfect. Okay, done. Any doubt? Clear? Good. And next step, here accounting document is not going to be entered manually. It is going to be posted through batch input session. What is batch input session? I will introduce, okay, in this transaction. See, batch input session. So any name you can enter it. For example, I am executing here for March month, right? So March month, any reference or you can enter here ABC, BBC, anything you can enter it, whatever you want to enter it. Okay, write down. Enter batch input session. Enter batch input session. Okay, example RE set recurring. Okay, March means March month, 22 means fiscal year. Okay, within bracket any text. Okay, any text you can enter it. Any text. Any text. Execute it. Username comes by default, don't worry. So nothing else. Okay, execute it. See, if you execute it now, here. See, session was created successfully. You also should get the same kind of message. Okay, note. Make sure you get the message. Make sure you get the message. Batch input session was created successfully with the given name. Make sure you get the message. Batch input session was created successfully with the given name. The whatever name you enter now, with that name created or not, you have to check it. Yes, successfully created. Okay. In case if you enter here, for example, if you enter here 6th March 2022, example. No, example 2031, anything you enter. See, in this period, there are no any recurrent document to be executed. That's why here, if you try to enter any batch input name, no, see, you'll get message. You'll get message here. Batch input was not created. See, batch input was not created. If it was not created, means you didn't enter name, you didn't enter the settlement period properly. So as a result, document cannot be posted. So this is the problem. So that's why I want you to enter the settlement period properly. So even if you don't enter here, see, full dates, I enter only here 5th March, example, and execute it. I didn't enter full dates, full period, only one date. Whatever documents are there to be posted as per next on date. Yes, there is one date, 5th March. So settlement period also say 5th March. This is sufficient. See, a session will be created. The session was created. Understand? So that's why what I am saying is, please enter your settlement period according to your next on dates. Boss, how do I know what is the settlement period I am supposed? Don't worry. Before going to execute the transaction, first you come to this transaction, F.15. First you come to this transaction and execute it. Then you will understand, okay, how many documents are there? What is the next on dates? So please make sure your settlement period covers your next on dates. That's it. Simple. No need to get confused here. Okay, na? Better always enter start date of the month, end date of the month. So whatever documents there are, okay, all those documents will be covered in this case. Okay, so execute it. So now session was created, right? Good. Okay, so still document was not yet posted. Still document was not yet posted. After creating this session, now you have to process the bag. Okay, batch input session. I'll show you how to process it. Put small heading. To process, no need to heading, no need to put heading, just continuation. To process batch input session. So when you process the batch input session, then only document will be posted. Now it is not posted. Okay, so write down to process batch input session. Now to process the batch input session. To process the batch input session. From menu bar. From menu bar. System. Services. I'll show you the system right now. System, services, batch input, sessions. Okay. Now let me show you the same thing in SAP. See here, after session was created, right? See here, to process the batch input. This is menu bar. Okay. Menu bar, system, services, batch input, sessions. Like this, you can navigate any screen. In any screen, you will have this option. Go to this. What is your session name? Okay, this one, right? Anything you can select it. Okay, whatever session you have created now, okay, select that. Write down. Otherwise, you can use transaction code also shortcut way. SM35. You can navigate like that. Okay. Otherwise, shortcut code SM35 T code also can come. So what did I say? System, services, batch input to session. Like this, you can navigate. Otherwise, in the menu here, command field, you can directly enter transaction code also SM35. Anything you can use and come here. Continuation. Select your session. Select your batch input session name. Select your batch input session name. Select your batch input session name. Click on process button. Click on process batch input, the process session button. Or process button. Click on process button. So while processing, no, here you have three options. Foreground, background, display errors. Foreground means you know what? Online. Okay. You can see in front, okay, on the screen directly how the document is going to be posted. If I select background, right, you cannot see how the documents are getting posted. Display errors, right? It is also similar to background, but if there are any errors, it will be stopped. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, differences between all three things. Okay, na? First, okay, one by one, I'll go ahead. Select. After you click on process button, okay, this pop-up will come. Select process/foreground radio button. Select process/foreground radio button. Select process/foreground radio button. Click on process button. Click on process button here. No need to check any other options. By default, this option will come. Don't worry. Click on process button or press enter. See here how the document is going to be posted now. Automatic system pick up the details from the recurrent document. See here, this is my recurrent document number. From the document number, all inputs are collected. Okay, posting automatically. Okay, since you are selecting here foreground, you are able to see. If you select background, no, automatically it will be posted. Okay, don't worry. See what is the date, just to understand how it's posting from that point of view. First I'm executing foreground method. So after that you can execute a background method also, no issues. Okay, so here I can see and which date. See, currently I'm in I am on 18th. Still document is going to post on 5th, fixed date. Even if you execute in any day, it will post on fixed date, March 5th. Document type automatic has come. Okay, next run automatically updated, and automatically account details are updated. What did you write? Click and press enter. No? Keep on press enter slowly. Keep on press enter. Keep on press enter. See here, you have to keep on press enter. Automatic getting details. Keep on press enter until you get message. Keep on press enter until you get a message. Put colon. Processing of batch input session completed. Processing of batch input session completed. Processing of batch input session completed. Click on exit batch input button. Now you're done. Okay, if you want to go back to overview, you can click on this button. Or if you want to come out of the transaction, click on this button. Click on exit batch input session. Click on exit batch input button. That's it. Okay, now you have to go and check the ledger balances, right? Whether it's posted or not successfully. Okay, go and check it. Next step. Display GL account balances. Now document was posted, regular transaction. You have to go and check whether it was posted or not. Display GL account balances. FS 10. FS 10 N. FS 10. If I go to this ledger, I can see the values now. 30,000. Earlier, it was not there when the recurrent document was created. Now I posted a regular transaction. So through the transaction, it was populated. Okay, double click on it if you want. See? 26 is the regular document number. If you like to open the document clearly, click on this spec symbol and click on overview button. Then you can see here rent account rate to bank account. Posted on 5th. Okay, if you click on this cap symbol, you will understand. See whether it is posted from recurrent document. Okay, what is the recurrent document and what is the date, entry date. See here, I have posted this transaction on 18th. So that's why system date automatically update. And next here, posting date to document date to as per your settlement period. It's update. Clear? Enough. I want you also send me this screenshot. Then I can understand whether you could post it successfully the regular document by using this recurrent document or directly posted or not. Okay? Send me the screenshot. Okay, after you open this document, go to this enter data and take the screenshot and put it aside here and take full screen and send me in the group. Okay, enough. Now you understood end to end how to post your regular transaction by using the recurrent document. What is the advantage here? Time saving point. But here I have posted manually, right? Okay, batch invitation. The same thing. Okay, you can schedule background job also automatically. 5th key, particular date key, particular time key. Okay, system will process and post it instead of manual intervention. Involvement lekunda manual involvement. Without manual involvement, automatically system can post it. Okay, good. Now you understood how to run end-to-end on recurrent document creation and post the transactions, right? Here I want you to make a note. Note, check whether it updates the account balances or not. Of course, it will update it. Write down. Next step, next comment. Note, check whether it updates the account balances or not. Check. Account balances or not. It will update here because it will post a regular transaction. Next step. I want you to go back and check your recurrent document list. How it looks here. Let us see. Display recurrent documents list with the due date wise. Display recurrent document list. T code F.15. If I go back to this transaction and execute it from here, I can see here, first run date and last run date remain same. Only next run date is change it. Okay, and how many times you have posted so far? 1. So like this, details keep on changing. Next run date details, your number details keep on changing. Remaining all will be same. So here I understood. Okay, next time which month I am supposed to execute it? 4th. Means 4th period, means April. If I try to execute for again March month, it will not be processed. Session will not be created. If session is not created, you cannot post it. Session on what basis session will be created? Based on the date you entered properly. Okay, make sure your next run date covers your your settlement period covers your next run date. Otherwise, it will not allow you to post it. Okay, good. So this is very, very important. So in this report, you will understand.
Bro, I have one doubt.
Tell me.
Our next run date will cover from start date to end date, right? That is 1st March 22 to
Okay. That's
23.
Let me execute for one more month. Now I'm going to execute for one more month. So please observe before going to
No,
start.
my doubt is hello.
Tell me, Uday.
End date is 28th February 2023, right? Because but February rent will pay in the month of March 5th.
కాదు చూడు అసలు ఫస్ట్ నీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? రెంట్ ఓకే 1 year బిల్డింగ్ రెంట్ తీసుకున్నావు ఈ మంత్ లో. ఓకే, అగ్రిమెంట్ డేట్ స్టార్టింగ్, అగ్రిమెంట్ 28th February దాకా వ్యాలిడ్. ఇది స్టార్టింగ్ ఎండింగ్. ఎవరి మంత్ 5th పే చేస్తామని చెప్పాం. ఓకే, ఎవరి మంత్ 5th పే చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ మంత్ మార్చి రన్ చేసాం, పోస్ట్ అయిపోయింది. ఇక నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ కి అంటే ఎవరి మంత్ కూర్చొని ఒక యాగంలో చేసేది కాదు ఇది. ఎవరి మంత్ ఓకే మంత్ ఎండింగ్ రాగానే ఓకే ఇది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా టైం జాబ్ షెడ్యూల్ చేసుకుంటే పోస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. లేదంటే మాన్యువల్ గా ఇలా రన్ చేస్తే పోస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఒకసారి పోస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. మంత్లీ వన్స్ పోస్ట్ అయిపోతే ఆటోమేటిక్ ఇక్కడ నీకు అప్డేట్ అయిపోద్ది. 5th ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏప్రిల్ మంత్ రన్ చేశాను అనుకో, ఈసారి ఒక ఆటోమేటిక్ ఇక్కడ 5/5/22 అప్డేట్ అవుతుంది. ఇంక ఇది స్టార్టింగ్ ఎండింగ్, ఇది మారదు. చెప్పాను ఫిక్స్డ్ డేట్ ఉండాలి. డిక్లరేషన్ డాక్యుమెంట్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలంటే ఫిక్స్డ్ డేట్ ఉండాలి, ఫ్రమ్ డేట్ ఉండాలి, టు డేట్ ఉండాలి, ఫిక్స్డ్ అమౌంట్ ఉండాలి. అలాంటి ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ మాత్రమే డిక్లరేషన్ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? నీకు వచ్చిన డౌట్ ఏంది ఇక్కడ? వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ డౌట్ హియర్? ఒక అగ్రిమెంట్ తీసుకున్నాం, 1 year అగ్రిమెంట్ తీసుకున్నాం. స్టార్టింగ్ డేట్ ఎండింగ్ డేట్ ఎంటర్ చేసుకున్నాం. ఎవరి మంత్ 10th 5th పే చేయాలి, పోస్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ పోతుంది అంతే. అదేమన్నా ఓకే. సో నథింగ్ ఇస్ దేర్ టు గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్. Correct, excellent, good understanding, Ravi. See, Ravi is asking, boss, okay, here we have only one document, that's why we have press enter. For example, if I am posting more than one document, example 100 documents, do I need to keep on press enter? Yes, but it's time taking process. Yes, correct, I agree. In that case, do one thing, take one rupee coin, put it in keyboard, adi enter cheskuntu pothund. No option. That is one way. Boss, no, I don't want to do it. Then do one thing, schedule in background. I'll show you how to do it next time. Good option. See, he's asking, boss, one document, okay, super, I can post it, but where I have hundreds of documents, what to do? You have to keep on press enter if you want to see. Nobody will, okay, where you have more than one, no, everybody will go to background mode. I'll show you now how to execute background mode. Okay, na? Good. First time కాబట్టి how it is getting posted, I wanted to show you. Okay, covered. Next method is background. Next method display. Like these 3 methods are there, right? 3 periods cover chestanu. Okay, then you will understand. Good. So next display record document is understood. Okay, good. Now note whatever time I have told you, so I want you to repeat it for at least for few periods for better understanding purpose. Write down. Repeat the above step. And the F.14. Repeat the above steps for few more periods for better understanding purpose. For few more periods for better understanding purpose. Okay, let me do it now. Okay, next month. What is the next month? April. Okay, whatever it is, next month. Okay, as per this document, April month. Now let me go to April. Okay, the same transaction F.14. First verify it here, then go to F.15. So observe here carefully. Same. Now you tell me what okay, if you are doubt, right? Okay, you tell me what is the company code I'm supposed to enter. Our company code.
FT01.
What is the fiscal year? Enter fiscal year.
2021.
You don't need to enter any additional details. Okay, here you have to enter settlement period. Tell me what is the settlement period you are supposed to enter here.
1st April to 30th April.
Okay. How do you know that? 1st April or not? You go to the
Because
return
we already
you
done
are
for the
understood
March
here?
month.
Yes, correct. You understood here. 5th, this one, like this. Okay. Okay. For better understanding purpose, shall I create one more document on 10th? For example, one more another building is there. For example, so for that building 10th armata. Okay, I'll do one thing. Now current in April month. Okay, let me create one more document for better understanding purpose. FBD1. Okay, here 1st April 2022, 31st March 2023. Okay, this every month. Okay, 10th. Okay, we are supposed to pay. See here. And create one more document for that understanding purpose. Okay, I have maintained already. Oh, yes, it maintain jail and all. Okay, I will create it. No worries. How much? 40,000 rupees. Rent payment 50. Bank account. Amount star. Text plus post it. Done. Now, if I go and verify the recurring document list now, F.15. See here. Executed. See, there are two documents. Observe. One document is on 5th, okay, April. One document is on 10th April. So this is 30,000 rupee document and this is 40,000 rupee document. Okay, now. So this is posted already. No worries. This is a new document. 0 times. So in this case, what is the settlement period I'm supposed to enter? If I enter 5th, right? 5th April 2022, what will happen? System will post the document only for this transaction, this document. This will not be processed. Understand? One document is 5th, one document 10th. In this case, best thing is always enter the starting date of that particular month, ending date of the particular month. Then what will happen here? See, within this period, both the documents next run dates are covered. 5th to 10th, both are in between it is there, right? Okay, good. That's why I would suggest you to always enter this one. Good. And now batch input session. Anything you can enter it for reference purpose. And simply execute it. Make sure session was created successfully like this. Okay. If session was not created, you cannot proceed, you cannot process it. Okay, now let me directly, instead of going through system services now, let me directly go to SM35, both are same. SM35. And all the ways. Last time I shown you through navigation. Now directly through path, T code. Select your batch input session name. Click on process button. Okay. If you want to process foreground, no, the same. You have to keep on press enter it. Okay. But this time I'll do one thing. There are more than one document, right? Okay, it may take time, no? So correct. This should be 2022, no? So correct. So 2022 ki numbers maintain చేసాం లేదు check చేస్తాం. Otherwise system will not allow you to post it. Correct, good observation. Let me go back and check my number ranges. Okay, my number ranges, yes, a regular document is going to be posted no for 01 no. So 01 2021 only 2022 numbers are not there. So let me maintain 02. 01 no 2021 no, so 2022 1 to 1 lakh. Correct. Number is not there. It will give you error message. So please make sure for 2022 key like this you maintain numbers and save it. Okay. If I post no document number 1 or 2 will be generated from 2022 because starting numbers. Good observation. See 0 onwards it will start. Okay. Good. Now see here. Okay, let's post it. Can you hear me clearly? See here. We already created batch information, right? Go to directly SM35. See here. Select your session name. Go to process button. Okay, display errors. Okay, if I background mode. Okay, example, put it in background mode. Click on process button. That's it. Backend is getting posted. Backend documents are being posted. After a couple of seconds, if you refresh the screen, you'll understand whether were posted or not. See here, in this batch input session, I am trying to post 2 documents. Okay, we'll see here how many documents went into errors, how many documents are posted successfully, right? Okay, let me refresh the screen to see the latest status. SM35. See here, I am trying to post this batch input session. Okay, 2 documents in this, but 2 documents went into errors. None of the documents posted. I don't know why. Example. You understand what happened? I'm trying to post the transactions, but all the documents here went into errors. Okay. What is the reason? Let us see. Double click on this batch input session. Double click on log created. See reason. Basu, you are trying to post the transactions in April month. April month means first period of 2022, but that particular period is not at open. Okay, I understood. Then I need to go and open the posting period. Like this, if there are any errors, no, you have to go and open it. Okay, you have to go and open. So you know how to open posting periods. Go to OB52. I have opened 10th period to 12th period. Okay, but now we enter into 2022 first period, right? That's why I'll do one thing. 12th period 2021, first period 2022. Like this, you can open it. Press enter it. Then save it. Okay, then save it. Save it. Done. This is over. You may get out, boss. After opening the posting period, will it be processed again automatically? No. You have to process it. So once again, go back, display the background mode, process button. Process button. Now, okay, started executing the transaction background mode. After a few seconds, just go and refresh your screen. See, it is gone. Means what? Successfully, it is processed. Okay, it is processed. After that, it will move to here. It is processed. How do you know whether it's processed or not? I want you to go back and check your ledger balances. If I go back and check my ledger balances, FS10N, account number, fiscal year 2022, executed. See here, 70,000 rupees amount posted. Why 70,000 rupees? Yeah. One is a 30,000 rupee document, another one is 40,000 rupee document. Super correct. Okay, double click on it. There are two documents, one or two. If you open any document number here and click on this button, click on the caption, you will understand. This is the batch projection. This is the account document number used as reference and posted on this date. Okay, good. If you open another document number, say here also, this is another document number 201. Okay, this one, like this, it is posted 2 times. Got it? Okay, good. So now, if you observe here, one document is posted on 10th, one document is posted on 15th, 30th, 55th. Did I post these two transactions manually? Ravi, in single shot, both are processed. If you are processing foreground method, you have to keep on press enter until both documents are posted. See, two methods I covered here. Foreground method, what happened? How the document was posted, how the document is being posted, we can see on the desktop how it's better. Okay, posted. That's called foreground. Background means backend, automatically is posted. Now the third one is, display errors mode. Okay, display errors mode. I'll show you what is the difference between display errors mode. So before going to that, I told you, repeat all the steps 2-3 periods. And now go back and verify the recurring document list. If I go back and verify the recurring document list, how it will be displayed? How it will be displayed here? Okay, here executed. Observe. Next on date May kellipoyindi. Here May 10th. Here how many times you have posted? 2 times this document. And 202 1 time. So like this document was updated here. Okay, now by looking at this screen, okay, Uday, now tell me next for which month you are supposed to execute it? By looking at the screen, tell me.
May month.
Huh?
May.
May month. Okay. Let's execute it for May month. Okay. Date. How do you know that? First, we execute the report. Here. 1st May 2022. You understand? Every month you are performing. It will not be repeated. If you execute again, if I execute for April month, right? Session will not be created because if you enter starting April date and ending date April date, so there are no any documents here to generate to post it. That's why your settlement period is not there in that settlement date. So you have to enter here according to your next term dates. Very, very important. Session name you can enter anything. XXX. Like this also you can enter anything. No worries. Any text. Make sure session was created with this name. Then go to session. Batch input sessions. Select your session name and try to execute it. Okay. Foreground means what happened? Foreground means I can see here like this. I will get it posted. Okay. And background means it will be set in the background automatically, it will be posted it. Okay. Display errors means display errors also similar to background. But if there is any error, no, there it will be stopped exactly. See? Oh, there is error. There is an error. So due to this error, it couldn't be processed further. So now you have to fix this problem. Then we need to go to this transaction. Okay, display errors means if there are any errors, it will be identified. Otherwise, it will post like backend smoothly, like background method. Boss, then what is the difference between background mode and next display errors mode? Okay, is for example, I will give you a difference. Example, there are 10 documents I am going to post. There are 10 documents I am going to post. Third document is having some issue. 8th document is having some issue. If I execute in background mode, system will process all the documents and categorize separately these two documents separately, error records. All documents will be posted except these two documents. Categorize separately and it will give you the report. Boss, total you have processed 10 records, 8 records are processed, 2 records went into errors. Like this, it will give you the report. In case if I execute in display errors mode, right? First 2 documents will be posted because there are no any errors. It will stuck at 3rd record. Until you fix the problem in 3rd record, the further records will not be processed. That is the difference between these two things. Display errors lo process cheste, even there are any errors, system will process these correct records and categorize separately the 2 error records. Then later you can identify the problem and process it again. But whereas in the error method, display errors method, it will stop at 3rd record until you fix this problem in this record. Further records will not be processed. Okay, that is the problem. This is the difference between these two things. If there are no any errors, example, if there are no any errors, assume if there are no any errors, then it will be processed. Here also same as it is the posted method. How it is getting posted now, same way it will be posted. That is the difference. Okay, I'll show you once. For example, posting period issue is there, right? Okay, let me fix that problem first. Posting period issue. So May month means 2nd period. For 2nd period, you have to open it. Otherwise, it will not allow you to post it. 2nd period to be open. Open it. Now save it. And there are no any errors, right? Let us see here. Okay, there are no any errors. Okay, everything is perfect now. Okay, process button. Okay, I'm asking system, show me if there are any errors only. Otherwise, process it. See, process. You will not see any difference. It is similar to background method. Background posted. Background also posted like this. Okay, and display errors also posted like this. But what is the difference between display errors mode, background mode is, in case any errors are there in these documents, okay, it will separately process it, categorize it. Okay, rest of records will be processed. But whereas in this case, display errors mode, it will stop at record number 3 itself. Further document will not be processed until you resolve this issue. That is the difference. Foreground method means I can see how document is being posted. Okay, so I want you also try to execute, okay, the documents by using all 3 methods. All the 3 methods. For one period, you execute in foreground method. For next period, you execute in background method. And next period, you execute in display errors methods. Okay, good. Then you will become perfect. If there are any doubts, no, so please list out. So I will clarify those doubts, and then next, I'll show you in case how to execute. No, this is okay. Tomorrow I will show you next point. Okay, in case you may get doubt. For example, you may get one requirement. Boss, my landlord, okay, would like to increase the rent. How to increase it from next period onwards? In case amount has to be changed, so what to do? For example, I don't want to continue. I want to vacate. I have executed up to April month. May month is last. I want to change my last term date. How to change it? Or in case I am not able to adjust the amount on 5th, I would like to move to 7th. How to change run date? So like this, what kind of changes can be done? Okay, all the changes, all these points, I'll cover it in next session. And then finally, I'll show you how to delete the recurrent documents after completion of that particular period or particular transactions. This is what it is. Okay. So in next session on Monday, I'll show you. I'll complete this. By that time, so I want everyone to generate the postings by using the recurrent document and send me a screenshot and repeat the same thing for a couple of periods for better understanding purpose. Don't simply execute it for one period and go ahead. Execute it for 2-3 periods. Then you'll understand in case any dependencies are there. Okay. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow, if I am taking backup class, I'll inform in advance for new joiners, not for everyone. Okay. Thank you. I'll talk to you guys. A month.